Hi everyone, we're just gonna give it a quick second for other people to join. Make sure they could find the link and navigate the site to the live broadcast. But going forward, we will have a in-depth training where you can look back at any time to see any of the steps that you may have missed or are confused on. But hopefully the system is easy enough where it won't really matter. And if you do have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me at dpugh, that's P-U-G-H, at pfa.org. Once again, that's dpugh at pfa.org. And we're going to get started because it looks like we have enough people that have signed up for the training. So hello everyone, my name's Derek and I'm going to be the program manager for the call center, and I'm going to be building this program with you and helping you to work out some of the kinks, as there always is with new technology. But I want to take you through this, and if you have any suggestions or comments or questions, do not hesitate to reach out and let me know. So you are going to go to app, that's app.everyaction.com, and I'm going to share my screen with you right now so you can see this. 1 second. All right, so hopefully you can see the screen I have up here, and I'm just going to start from the beginning, and so we're at just Google, open up your browser, and then at the top you're going to type in app.everyaction.com, and it's going to take you to this login screen. It's very simple. You don't have to worry about anything with the Action ID. You're just going to have to focus on the van ID. Now, most of you should have received a link if you signed up for the training prior to this with a user login and also a password. And if you forget this information, just reach out to me. You don't have to worry about hitting forgot my password, because we want to make this as easy and simple as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with one of our pre-populated accounts. So it will take you to this screen, and it's very simple. You don't have to worry about anything on the left that says support requests or contact the admin, because you'll just reach out directly to me. And there's really only one thing that you can do once you're inside this portal, and that's to click on the virtual phone bank. So we'll click on this, and then it will bring you to a script. Going forward, you won't have an option, so there will only be one script that's preloaded for you, so you don't have to be confused about what you are using. Right now, we are focusing on bus 1, and that's what we'll be using tonight as well. So after you select the phone bank, you're going to hit next, and then it's just going to kind of give you a quick overview of what you're about to see on the next screen and how you should utilize it. So we'll hit next, and it will take you to this script, and up at the top is a name, which is the activist you'll be calling, and to the right of the name is the number. So if you dial the number and Luann does not answer, you're going to use this button and toggle it to no. And then you'll fill in one of these, and sometimes the individual you're calling may not be home. Sometimes it is a wrong number. And then there are all other options, and we can go through the data on the back end and basically figure out if this person was too busy when you called them before but is very interested in attending. We'll call them back, so you don't have to worry about following up with them at all. So let's pretend that Luann does answer the phone. So we'll put yes, and going downwards, there's a pre-populated script that you don't have to worry about creating it all because I will load this for you. So I'm just going to briefly do a run through, a hypothetical. Hi, may I speak with Luann? Luann answers, my name is Derek and I'm a volunteer calling on behalf of Democracy Awakening. Thank you for signing up to be involved. And then you'll go through the script. And these individuals that you're calling have already let us know that they want to be involved and that they are excited for the event. And even if they can't attend the event, they want to help phone bank like you from their home. And we're going to have phone bank parties all around the nation. So if you can host one, that would be great. And you can reach out to me and I will help set something up for you. So going back to the script, you'll notice this button that says, will you attend the Democracy Awakening? And that will be the question you ask them when prompted. And there's simply a yes, no, or maybe. And it's important to make sure one of these is filled in and filled in accurately, because this is how we're going to know to contact these people when it comes closer to the event, so we can give them reminders, updates, and really anything else they would need to know. So if they can attend, great. So you'll scroll down to here and work your way through the script. And then at the very bottom, which I will make this more bold going forward because this is one of the most crucial parts of turning out a large group of people for this event and really making it historical, is to hit yes for people that are wanting to make calls. And like I said, even if they are in California and can't attend the event here in DC, they probably want to be part of this and they've let us know, and that's why you're calling them. So after you hit that, you will hit save and it will take you to the next activist. I'm not going to do that because I want someone to actually call Luann and go through her responses, but that's all you really need to know, and you can do this at any time during the day and night with that login. So if you have a spare hour here or a spare hour there, really any little part helps us. And we're going to be doing live phone banks from 6 to 9 Monday through Thursday to get a huge impact. But that's for people in DC and hosting house parties. But if you want to do it on the weekends, I can work with you and create something. So I'm going to log out of here and stop presenting. And I'm back. So I look forward to working with you throughout this process, and I'm excited to see what happens. Yesterday, in only 2.5 hours, we made over 300 calls, and we got several volunteers. Some of you may be on this training tonight. But once again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And my email address is dpugh@pfa.org. Have a great night, everyone, and enjoy calling.